Here you can find vegetarian and vegan food recipes. In this video, we are going to see how to cook almond mixed vegetable kurma. Kurma is a traditional Indian curry made with coconut milk, but in this recipe, we are going to use almonds instead of coconut. Almonds contain a lot of healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. The health benefits of almonds include lower blood sugar levels, reduced blood pressure, and lower cholesterol levels. You can have this with roti, chapati, bread, and rice. Let's see the ingredients needed for this recipe.
The ingredients are: I've got chopped 2 medium-sized onions, 2.5 cups of mixed vegetables. I have used carrots, potato, green peas, broccoli, red peppers. You can add any other vegetables as you wish. 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons sunflower oil, and for grinding a smooth paste, I've got 10 small onions, 4 green chilies, 8 cloves of garlic, 2 cardamom, 10 cashew nuts, 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, that is dhania powder, half inch ginger, and I've got half cup of badam, so it is approximately 60 grams of badam, that is almond. To make grind paste, you need to add all these things. So let's start cooking now.
First, we need to skin off the almonds. To know how to peel the skin of almonds, you can see our video how to blanch almonds. Then heat the pan with 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add small onions, green chilies, garlic, cashew nuts, and cardamom. Saute till it's golden brown and keep it aside to cool down. Let's make the kurma now. Next, add rest of the oil, fennel seeds, chopped onions. Shallow fry for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Add the mixed vegetables and fry for another 3 or 4 minutes. In the meantime, let's grind the masala. Shallow fried mix with ginger, add blanched almonds, coriander powder, and chopped tomatoes, and grind it in a blender with little water as required to a fine paste. Add the ground masala paste to the vegetables and saute it for a few more minutes, stirring frequently. Now add required water. Add the salt and stir well. Close the lid and cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until the vegetables are cooked in low flame. Stir in between so that it won't stick to the bottom. Now you can switch off the flame and garnish it with fresh chopped coriander leaves. I have made appam today. Kurma goes very well with appam. Try this at your home and leave your comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you have not done before. See you in my next video.